Hi, John Morgan here, and welcome to this week's episode of the Keep Growing podcast, where we take a look at the gardening week ahead for the Mid-Ohio Valley. This week we're covering week 35 of 2024, Saturday, August 24th to Saturday, August 31st. Up first, let's take a look at the weather. I was on the Facebooks the other day and saw an updated drought map. Most of our listening area is now in the extreme drought zone. It's dry and hot. We're looking at a downright spicy weekend, topping out at close to 100 on Sunday. Then we stay dry and in the 90s through the rest of the week. Monday is the last quarter moon. From the last quarter moon to the new moon is considered a barren time. It's an excellent time for weeding, mulching, and tilling soil. Personally, I'm working on taking my garden back from an overgrowth of weeds due to not growing a garden this year. Sometimes life happens and we have to put gardening on hold. This week's gardening calendar is in agreement with the moon phase. It recommends planting Ethiopian kale and bunching onions. During this dry time, be sure to not get discouraged. Keep your plants watered, and of course, keep growing. For a full transcript and show notes, visit bobsmarket.com/keepgrowing.